Lot number 107 is a 2016 Ford Taurus SEL. This was an unmarked detective unit. It's a very nice vehicle, but it's not starting. There's no power reaching the starter. The shop notes say that this vehicle was put out of service a little over 8 months ago. It was driven to a storage lot and parked by a city mechanic, and now 8 months later this vehicle does not start. It was brought in by tow truck, and we've got a jump box on here, and we try and start it, and there's no power reaching the starter. I'll show you. This is a very nice vehicle. It's pretty well equipped. It's got leather interior. This one has the push to start button. It's got two brand new looking fobs, and when I push the brake and I push the starter here, nothing happens. I can hear something ticking underneath the dashboard, but there's no power reaching the starter. So it's being sold as is. The city does not want to spend any time diagnosing this. It's being sold as is. Mechanical conditions are unknown. Again, it's a very nice vehicle. It's a 2016 Ford Taurus SEL, and it was a detective unmarked unit. All the emergency equipment has been removed, and some of the interior panels have screw holes from the emergency equipment removal. It's got nice tinted windows. The black paint still looks fair. It's dirty. It's been sitting around for months. It could use a good cleaning, a detail, but this car is going to clean up real nice. It's got all matching alloy wheels. The tires look good, but they may have flat spots from sitting for so long in storage. Let me go ahead and show you the interior. Here's the driver door panel. Looks good, no damage. The dashboard is not cracked. It's got the full center console. I believe that's a touchscreen radio. It's got rear view camera. Center console armrest looks good. Here's the driver's seat. It's not torn. It shows a little wear, but it's not torn. Appears to be in good shape. Here is the back driver door. Now these door panels do have screw holes from emergency lights that were removed. There's two sets of lights on here, a total of 6 drilled holes in the door panel. Look at this back seat. Very nice. Leather seats in very nice shape. Headliner also looks good. Original black carpet looks good. Let me show you the passenger side. It's a little tight over here, but I'll try and show you as best as I can. It does have a little damage on the body right here in the passenger side rear quarter panel. It hit the door. Not much happened to the door. It does have some scuff marks, but the actual rear quarter panel is dented and scratched. It's also missing a center cap over here. The roof looks good. The sides look nice and straight. Rear bumper looks good. Rear door panels, again, they have screw holes from the emergency equipment that was removed. Here's the passenger door. Passenger door looks good. It's got all the nice trim. Center console also has a couple of screw holes from equipment that was removed as well. I don't see any other damage in here. Passenger leather seat. Looks like it has a little stain here that may come off. And this one has rear AC vents in the center console. So this is a nice Taurus. I'm very used to seeing the police interceptors, and this is a really nice vehicle compared to those. All right, so there it is. Not much else I can tell you. It's a 2016. It's got 112,000 miles. It's being sold as is. Mechanical conditions are unknown. It's a 3.5 liter V6. No power reaching the starter. Good luck.